Okay, so we're going to use one of these when it says for each triangle tell why the two triangles are congruent. We have these four that we can use. We can use angle, side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, or angle, angle, side. So let's look at this. We know that this is congruent to this. We know that this is congruent to this. And we also know by vertical angles that these two are congruent. Okay, so we know the information that we have two sides that are congruent, or we have a pair of sides that are congruent, and we have vertical angles that are congruent, so that's part of our justify. So we know by angle, angle, side, not angle, angle, side, sorry. Yeah, angle, angle, side, I'm being crazy. We know that by angle, angle, side, these two are congruent, so we're going to list our congruent parts. Okay, so our congruent statement first. If I go J, so triangle J, I go from 1, I can go down to here to the vertical. We'll make this 2. K, then to H is congruent to, I got to list them in order. This one has 1. L, go to my vertical. K, go back up to M. So then my congruent parts would be angle J is congruent to angle L. Angle K is congruent to angle K. That would be angle JKH and MKL. And then angle H is congruent to angle M. And then I would have to list my sides. Side JK is congruent to side LK. Side KH is congruent to side KM. Side HJ is congruent to side ML. And your proofs are going to be done basically the same way. We're going to write what we did. We knew vertical angles were congruent. That was part of our reasoning, part of our justification. Okay, and then by the third angle theorem, we know these angles have to be congruent also, but we don't really need all that information now because we can use these facts. So your proofs are going to be done the same way. You're just writing out the information that you know, the information that you found. Remember, isosceles triangles have two sides that are the same and the two angles that are the same. So make sure you look at your notes page for extra information.